I'm Miss Tara from Fox Valley Flourish Twirling Club, and today we're going to move on from a few of the basic skills such as your thumb flips and your backhand flips. Once you are very comfortable with those thumb flips in the right hand and the backhand flips in your left hand, this is the next step to make it a little bit more challenging and without getting too big and crazy with it, but this is just that next little step. So make sure you're very comfortable with the thumb flip and the backhand flip. If you're not comfortable with those yet, go back and find the practice videos for thumb flips and go through that one so that you're very solid on those and nice and comfortable. So what we're going to do to make them just a little bit more difficult and add some interest to them, instead of just a thumb flip right in front of you, we are going to add an arm circle with that thumb flip. So put your baton down for right now. The left arm is out. What's going to happen is when you do that thumb flip, the thumb flip's on one, your arm is going to come up and the palm's going to turn in. So it starts palm down and it rotates as it comes up. You're going to circle it in front of your face and out to the side. And that happens very quickly. It's one count. It comes up, around, and out. One. And you want to make sure when you do it that you're rotating from your shoulder. It's not your elbow doing it. It's not a little loop right here. It's the whole arm. Around and out. Around and out. When you do it with the baton, start with the left arm out, baton right in front of you. You're going to do that thumb flip. It needs to be 3 counts. You toss on 1, you circle the arm on 2, you catch on 3. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. Now, one mistake people tend to make is that they're watching their arm and they take their eye off their baton. So make sure you're still just looking at that baton. Toss, catch. Toss, catch. Toss, catch. And the arm circles, the baton is, I'm going to turn sideways, the baton is here. The arm comes between your baton and your body. It's going to come up and it's going to circle around and out. You're not going to hit that baton because they're not quite even with each other. You don't stick your arm forward. It's going to come around and out. Toss, circle, catch. Let's try that a couple times nice and slow. You'll notice my toss is not super high. It's 3 counts, but it's still pretty low. These eventually build up to being a speed skill where it's very fast and it connects one skill to the next. So you'll do them low and fast eventually. For learning, you can go a little bit higher, but it's not an aerial super, super high with an arm circle underneath. That arm goes around that baton. Let's try it together slow. Let's do 4 of them. Sorry, I had an ant on my foot. And 6, 7, 8. Toss 1, 2. Let's try it again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's try it again. 6, 7, 8. Toss, circle, catch. Last one. 6, 7, 8. Goes. Toss, circle, catch. That's about the speed they need to be. If you're going slower than that tempo, it's going to be a lot harder to do. So make sure that you're really solid on those thumb flips. If it's too hard to do those thumb flips that fast, go back and practice just the thumb flip before adding that arm circle. Now, we're going to switch hands. We're going to do it, same idea, but with a backhand flip in that left hand. The difference is this time, this arm is out. It's going to come down first. It's going to come down, circle, and then it ends palm up. And then when you start the next one, you're going to flip it back over. It's going to circle down, up, and around. And the same thing, make sure that that rotation is happening from the shoulder swinging and not from the elbow. You don't, a lot of people bring it in and then they try to do this little baby circle and then put it back out. Whole arm, down and around, whole arm. Let's try it with the backhand flip. Same thing, it's going to go backhand flip, circle, catch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're catching these palm up because of the way they're rotating. So it's a backhand flip, catch palm up, your right palm ends facing up. Ready? Let's try it together. 6, 7, 8. Goes backhand flip, circle, catch. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Backhand flip, circle, catch. One more. 6, 7, 8. Backhand flip, circle, catch. Now, for the most advanced version of this, if you have done the level 3 video that shows the backhand catch, where you catch with your right hand turned away from you, left arm up in that lunge, you can add a double arm circle. I'm going to put my baton down so I can show you slowly. It's going to go thumb flip. We do this circle that we already did with it. Now we're going to circle our right arm coming in, and then we're going to end here in the backhand. So the left arm circles first. It's going to go left arm. Now the right arm comes over, and now as that right arm comes down, the left arm comes up again and finishes. When it goes fast, it goes toss, circle, circle, catch. Let me show it with the baton. This one is hard to do slow, so I'm going to have to do it fast. We do that same thumb flip. It's not super high. It is a little higher than before. Circle, circle, catch, backhand. It goes circle, circle, catch. Let's try it again. And circle, circle, catch. This one, you really have to watch that rotation. It's a lot harder than those other ones, but that's what we're building towards. You can do it with a circle, 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 catch. Okay? If you're not sure how to do that backhand catch, go back to the level 3 video where we start it with the drop, and then we add it with the thumb flip, and we can do it also with the backhand flip. That's how some of these skills start to come together into combinations and connections. Work on all these nice and slow. See if you can start adding some arm circles to those thumb flips you've been working on. Keep twirling and good luck.